Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing great. Today I'm going to unbox Flipkart SmartBuy Turbo wireless mouse 2.4 GHz. So today first we'll go for unboxing. This mouse I bought it few days back and I'm using it. It's really comfortable for me to use. So I made a unboxing video and a small demo how I connected laptop and how it is working. You can see it. First the packaging is really great. You look at the box, how the mouse, the packing is, it's really simple, and you can see it's really good. And when you this mouse is available in two colors, one is black gray and another is silver black. You can pause the screen and read the details. And the mouse model number is M7151. Then when unboxing, you can see the box. You can see the mouse, which is really wrapped in a bubble wrap. It's really good. It's a good trail packing. Let me keep the mouse aside, and you can see the paperworks and also the Flipkart thank you for my buying it, and also the user manual. It is really easy to simple to read. Okay, it's really simple and easy to understand. Okay, how to connect and everything. And this mouse is around a width 115 mm width and also height of 35.8 and also weight 56.7 grams. When you see today I'm bought the silver black mouse. So black mouse, and it has a 3 left click, right click and scroll and everything. On the left side you can see the on and off button. You can see I just clicked it, but it's not working. When I open the flap, you can see the battery is there, and also the nano receiver which is used to connect the mouse with a laptop or a desktop. And we are getting a free battery. That's a really good thing. And the battery is also plastic wrapped clearly so that it won't discharge. Let me tell about this mouse is that it's easy for me to handle because it holds in my hand and it's easy for us to move and everything, and it's really handy. That's why I bought this. And it's around less than 500 rupees, so it's a good segment. And it also supports all the most of the OSs. So while it's, and also battery inserting is also easy. After inserting that, I close the flap and you can see the mouse is really good to look. Yeah, I bought the silver gray because I have a laptop of the same color. That's why I bought the silver thing. And when I on it, and it's good and it's indicating its best. Now let us connect to the laptop. I am connecting the receiver to the laptop. And it's a USB port to the USB port, and I switch on the mouse, and you can see the screen that just the movement of the mouse is from the mouse I connected. So it detects faster. In Windows 10 it detects really fast, and you can see the scrolling and everything is fast, and it's working really smooth. So this is a short, hope you like this video, and this is a short review of it. Hope you like it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.